Hi students, this is the fifth problem from the not-for-profit organization. First problem is prepare income and expenditure account only we need to prepare income and expenditure account from the following receipts and payment account. So using receipts and payment account, so how you used to calculate in a final accounts using trial balance, particulars and debit amount and credit amount. So like that here we are using a receipts and payment account. We need to prepare income and expenditure account only. So in the next problem, we will get a balance sheet also, but in this problem, we are preparing only income and expenditure account. So adjustments given below, you are required to prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2020 of Vienna Cultural Association Satara. So receipts and payment account is for the year ended 31st March 2020 is balance brought down, cash in hand, cash at bank, receipts amounts are coming. So cash in hand and cash at bank we are together, it is a 29,200 rupees. And subscription amount, so in a subscription we need to carry current year amount. Current year means 2018 19, 2019 20, and 2020 21. So this 2019 and 2020 is the current year. So for subscription calculation we are taking the 2019 and 20. And to donations, and general fees, to interest on fixed and deposits, and to picnic receipts are coming under a receipt side. And in a payment side, buy rent. In rent also we need to take this current year 2019-20. So this previous year was 2018 and 19 is 700 rupees plus 54,300 rupees of the rent is 2019 and 20 year. So that is a 55,000 rupees. And by fixed deposit 47,000, sundry data, sundry expenses, by insurance, by printing and stationery, by picnic expenses and salaries, and by traveling expenses, by advertisement we have that is on 2018 and 19. So and by balance carried on, cash in hand and cash at bank, so both amount we are adding and taking the total amount in a outer column. So this is the receipts and payment account. So in a final account, you used to take off trial balance. So using a trial balance, we used to calculate a trading account, P&L account, and balance sheet. But using receipts and payment account, we are calculating income and expenditure account and balance sheet. So what are the outstanding? What are the adjustment as given? That the first one is outstanding rent for the current year was 7,000 rupees. So for the rent 2018, 2019 and 20 we are taken as a current year 54,300 plus 7,000 we'll add. The outstanding rent for the current year we need to add 7,000. There is an adjustment for the rent. First one is the outstanding rent for the current year. Those 7,000 we are adding with the 54,300 rupees. So that is the first adjustment. This is the one first adjustment. And next is, so rent we have adjustment, so I mark that one by rent. And for the 60% entrance fee should be capitalized. For the entrance fees we have 60% entrance fees should be capitalized. This we need to calculate with the 15,000 or 60 percentage. And outstanding subscription for the current year was 20,000. Outstanding expenses of, and next one is outstanding subscription for the current year rupees 20,000. So current year amount is subscription amount is 2019 and 20. Current year amount is 1 lakh rupees. And need to add this amount. Adjustment we have a adjustment, that is outstanding subscription amount. It is 20,000. And fourth adjustment is prepaid insurance 1,000 rupees. So fourth adjustment by insurance amount is 12,000 rupees. 12,000 rupees and prepaid insurance is 1,000 rupees. So these are the four adjustment for receipts and payment account. So now we'll see how we need to calculate in expenditure account. So in the books of Vienna Cultural Association Satara, income and expenditure account we need to prepare for the 31st March 2020. using receipts and payment account. So first one is expenditure account. So expenditure account data side, inner column and outer column, income at a creditor side. So amount amount inner column and outer column. So first entry is in expenditure. It is a rent is a expenditure for the business. So it is need to take a current year amount. So current year amount is 54,000. Rent current year amount is 54,300 rupees. Should not take a previous year amount. So we need to focus on 2019 and 20 current year amount we need to take. That is 54,300, and there is an adjustment for the outstanding expenses of the rent. So outstanding rent for the current year was 7,000 rupees. So we need to add with it, that is 7,000 rupees. Need to add outstanding expenses, outstanding rent with rent amount. So it is a 61,300 rupees. Next entry is sundry expenses. Sundry expenses 8,000 rupees taken in a directly taken in a outer column. There is no adjustment for the sundry expenses. And next entry is insurance. Insurance amount is 12,000 rupees. There is a adjustment for the insurance, that is prepaid insurance rupees 1,000 rupees. So it's a insurance prepaid, already paid in advance. Prepaid amount is 1,000 rupees. So that will come in a balance sheet, but in a receipts income and expenditure account we are taking directly that 1,000 rupees. So 12,000 minus 1,000 rupees is 11,000 rupees. And printing and stationery amount is 6,000 rupees. And picnic expenses, it is 18,000 rupees. There is no adjustment for the printing and stationery and a picnic expenses. And next is salaries. Directly we are entering the what are the entries are coming in directly. There is no adjustment. Those entries will come in a outer column. And traveling expenses, it is 13,000 rupees. Traveling expenses, it is 13,000 rupees. And now we'll see the income side entries. What are the entries are coming in income side? So by subscription amount is there are 3 years: previous year, current year, and next year. So current year amount is 1 lakh rupees. And add outstanding subscription, there is an adjustment for the subscription. That outstanding subscription for the current year was 20,000 rupees. So to, outstanding by salaries, we need to add outstanding subscription. It has given in the adjustment that that is 20,000 rupees. 1 lakh plus 20,000 is 1 lakh 20,000 rupees. Next entry is donation. So donation amount, it is 25,000 rupees. And by entries fees 15,000 rupees. By entrance fees is 15,000 rupees. Based for that, there is a adjustment, that is 60% interest fee should be capitalized. So 60,000. So 15,000 into 60 divided by 100. So entrance fees is 15,000. So less 16% capitalized, that is 15,000. Working, this is working note 1. Working note 1, you had to mention this working note 1 in the problem. So working note 1, that is a 50,000, 15,000 into 60 divided by 100, it is amount is 9,000 rupees. 15,000 minus 9,000, it is 6,000 rupees as a entrance fees. And by interest on fixed deposit, by interest on fixed deposit, that is 20,000 rupees. Interest on fixed deposit amount is 4,800, and it is a 4,800 are taken in the income side of the credit side. And next entry is picnic receipts is 20,000 rupees. That is coming under income side, that is 20,000 rupees. And so then after all the entries get over, so we need to calculate total amount. So we need to balance both side amounts in a credit side and debit side of the expenditure and income account. So in income side, it is 1,20,000 rupees. And 1,20,000 rupees, 25 plus 25,000 plus 6,000 plus 4,800 rupees plus 20,000 rupees. It is altogether it is 1,75,800 rupees. But the amount is coming in a debit side. It is less amount means. So that amount we are taking uh, to surplus excess of a income over expenditure. How we used to take in a trading account gross profit and a gross loss when it is a credit amount is more than the debit side amount, so we used to take a gross profit and vice versa of the gross profit. And in the P&L account, net profit and net loss we used to take like that. In income and expenditure account we are taking as a surplus amount to surplus excess of income over expenditure. So this amount in a 1,75,800 rupees, we are deducting these amounts like 61,300 rupees, 8,000 plus minus 11,000 minus 6,000 and minus 18,000 minus 20,000 and 13,000 and 13,000. So after deducting these amounts, we'll get as a surplus rupees 38,500 rupees. So both side uh, we need to total the amount, tally the amount. That is a balance method. So this is how we need to calculate in using receipts and payment account. Need to calculate and using adjustments can enter the entries in a income and expenditure account. This is the from this we'll come to know what is in not for profit organization, what is the expenditure and what is the income are happening in the year. But in a final accounts for the is this is for the not for profit organization, so that's why we are preparing only expenditure and income account only for the seeing how what is the condition of the organization. But in the final in the partnership account, the we need to share the profit and loss account to the partner, so we used to prepare P&L account and trading account. So in this no need to prepare it is a name is different, only the method is same. Final account, that is a P&L account and trading account you used to calculate using trial balance. But in this not for profit organization, using as a trial balance, here we are using in not for profit organization receipts and payment account and preparing income and expenditure account. How we used to calculate the P&L account, profit and loss account, like that we are using here income and expenditure account. In later on we'll get a balance sheet also. So thank you.